Hello, welcome. I'm Katie and I'm a life coach. These are all thoughts that we developed. Anything that you want. But really, I'm an artist. Literally, I make art like this and this, but I do consider life coaching an art. I think the mind is a beautiful, malleable piece of sculpture. Did you know that your personality is a choice? That it is not fixed and you are not defined by it? What is art but a set of choices on a canvas? Here are a few things I've significantly improved or eliminated in my journey of personal development. Feeling lost in my life, social anxiety, depression, procrastinating on my passion, over drinking, over Facebooking/Instagramming, boy crazy. If any of this sounds like you, I can help. I'm by no means perfect, but I feel like my life's purpose is so clear now. I have confidence in myself to handle social situations. I don't need a guy to like me in order to like myself. And most importantly, my creative work has improved so much. If you're watching this, you're probably somebody that has a desire in them to create. Your eyes light up when you see an amazing piece of work or when you listen to a beautiful melody. There's a part of you so badly that wants to contribute to the world with whatever fucked up shit is in your head. You want to sing, dance, paint, make music, and share it with the world, but something keeps blocking you. You are avoiding your passion with a slew of other distractions. If you're fucking tired of getting in your own way and you finally want to get some shit done, call me about a free coaching call. Your mind will explode. Let me help you create your greatest work of art, your life. Much love. Mwah. Enjoy the free content while you're here.